Hello. Uh, let's see some short stuff for Europe because we have lots of storms going on. First, we had a lot of storms in northeastern Spain this morning. Also had some storms in northern Italy, Switzerland, and more areas. And we have this big line of storms in Eastern Europe, all the way from Romania to Estonia there. And this line here is, is the most intense as of now in Latvia there, in those areas, and it will kind of diminish by this afternoon. But tomorrow will be the big deal because we will have some very intense storms in the Balkans tomorrow afternoon. So you can see a lot of heavy rain in Serbia, in Bosnia, in Romania by tomorrow afternoon, and this line of storms will extend all the way to Russia there. So let's see here. Also some storms possible in Turkey, Georgia, and Azerbaijan tomorrow, and some in Italy possible too. So let's see, as we get to tomorrow night and evening, still some storms in Romania and Bulgaria and Serbia. And then by tomorrow night and Wednesday, we have a lot of heavy rain in Ukraine very early on Wednesday. Some rain in Belarus too, and maybe Russia. There's some storms, Finland and Estonia. So let's see, maybe by Wednesday too, more storms in Italy possible, some in Greece and Turkey too, and let's see, in Austria. And then by next Thursday we have this big front there in the Atlantic, maybe bringing some rain to Denmark, Germany and Norway there by next Thursday and Friday, and maybe some storms in Germany by next Thursday too. So by next Friday we can have some storms in Belarus there, parts of Russia too. And then by next Saturday and late on Friday, especially Friday, we have lots of storms in Russia there. It's showing late on Friday. And then by next Saturday, it shows we can have this next low pressure system affecting Western Europe and bringing many storms to parts of France, northern Spain, Germany, Denmark, and more in the UK there by next Saturday. Switzerland, northern Italy too might get some more storms, and more storms in Spain too by next Saturday. So shows some more rain in Finland and Denmark, and still some storms in Russia by Saturday. So let's see some rain accumulation for today first. So a little bit more in Spain, in Italy, Austria, in Serbia, in parts of Eastern Europe and Latvia and those areas, especially Finland and Russia the next 24 hours. In the next 3 days, more in parts of Norway, Finland, Russia, especially in Ukraine there, some higher totals there. In Belarus, Romania, some higher totals. Serbia, Bosnia, Croatia, and in Italy and some other areas too, Switzerland. In the next 5 days, it increases a little bit only, especially for parts of northwestern Europe and some areas there. But let's see what we still might have for today in Western Europe. So we had all those storms in Spain during the morning, and now we are about 13 in the afternoon. So let's see. This afternoon shows more storms possible in northern Italy, some stronger ones in parts of northwestern Italy too, and many areas there. And even by 5 p.m. shows some really intense storms there in Italy still. So this is for Monday, July 1st, today. So, and I also show some scarce storms or two in France and some storms in Switzerland, maybe one or two in Germany, but mainly southern Germany there and in other areas. And for Spain, we still might have some storms in northeastern Spain this afternoon in some areas, and further south too, maybe a storm or two. And let's see, for tomorrow, what we might have. Let's put another region here. Let's see. Let's just see it like this first, and then we'll zoom in. So the storms in Eastern Europe and everything, and as we get to tomorrow, all those storms in Serbia there, Bosnia, Croatia, Romania, and those areas. And then by Tuesday and Wednesday, it shows that the low pressure there going north, and still a lot of storms there in Eastern Europe by Thursday and Friday. So, and then by Saturday, that other system there bringing all those other storms and going northeast by Sunday. So let's see. So this is Romania here. So let's see for tomorrow. Shows all those storms possible there. Tomorrow afternoon and evening, lots of strong storms. Let's see. Czechia, Slovakia, and Hungary. So maybe a shower or two today, especially in Western Hungary and other areas. But by tomorrow, Tuesday, you might have a storm or two in Slovakia, maybe there. But mainly by tomorrow afternoon to the east. Maybe some rain or another in Hungary, but you'll be mainly to the east there. Let's see. What other area we can get here? Southeastern Europe here. So you can see that low pressure there. Some storms today. So this is Monday night. Still, it shows some storms there already in Serbia and Croatia and those areas. But by Tuesday, the low pressure there and lots of heavy rain for all those areas there of the Balkans going northeast there. So yeah, this is mainly it. Let's see if we can get something else here, because this is all just a forecast here, nothing certain. But there's this other model here, shows some storms there today, parts of the Balkans, but mainly tomorrow there we have all that heavy rain in those areas of Serbia, Romania, and everything going northeast into Ukraine. So let's see. Some wind gusts, maybe. Occasionally stronger winds in parts of Hungary, Romania, and other areas. So this is Monday. Let's see. And we think these thunderstorms can have strong winds too. So be alert. Let's see. By Tuesday shows stronger winds in parts of Hungary by early afternoon, and Slovakia too, and Austria. And then some more occasionally gusty winds in the other areas of the Balkans and Italy. Yeah, and more. Let's see. This is the Cape, the storm fuel. It doesn't show a lot of Cape in those areas tomorrow. It shows more today, but regardless, we will have a lot of storms there tomorrow. So accumulated precipitation for today, Monday, we will have more in Croatia and those areas, and then by tomorrow, all that rain, there's some really high totals in Romania and Ukraine by Tuesday and Wednesday. So Tuesday here and Wednesday. So yeah, let's see here. Some temperatures maybe. The 2-meter temperatures. It shows into the 30s and high 20s Celsius. And then by tomorrow, as this front advances, it'll be milder there, but still hot in parts of eastern Hungary and eastern Romania. And then later, by Wednesday, it'll be colder there because of the front and everything, but still high into the 20s in some areas, but mainly hotter in eastern Ukraine there, into the 30s. So during the next few days and everything. So let's see for all of Europe here. So in Northern Africa, the really hot temperatures, For Tuesday, hotter in parts of Portugal and Spain, and there in Eastern Europe, and then a little bit chillier during the night, depending on where you're at. But generally, during the day, you'll be hotter in Spain, Eastern Europe, parts of Italy, southern France, but Central Europe will be a little bit below average. So, yeah, and even some other areas. Let's see here. What else? Wait. Here. So, the areas of low pressure and high pressure. So you can see there too. And then by Saturday, that other system there. And this is mainly it. I think the, the European storm forecast here still doesn't have anything, nor for today, nor for tomorrow there. But by tomorrow morning, they might have something out for the Balkans there, but they still don't have anything. Let's see. But this is it. Be aware of these rains and storms today in Eastern Europe and parts of Italy and the Balkans, and especially tomorrow in Southeastern Europe and the Balkans. Be aware. And this is it. Let's just see if we might get storms in some other area tomorrow. Big storms, I don't think so. Maybe in Italy tomorrow, and some rains, light rains in other areas. Maybe more rain in Finland and Norway tomorrow and other stuff. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So this is Thursday. We'll get the other front there, and then Friday and Saturday there. So this is it, I think. Stay safe.